Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be scanning and indexing documentation. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to all the pages I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead comes from the company Sudduth, or otherwise known as Sudduth Companies. They have 208 reviews on Glassdoor from current and past employees, and they rank in at a 3.5 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a document control coordinator. Now, this is a virtual remote for the United States. They're basically looking for somebody to scan all their documentation into the system. You'll scan and index that documentation to the correct categories. You'll do a data entry of the documentation, providing clerical support, including sorting mail, preparing paperwork, and email documents. Now, they only require a high school diploma or GED, no college degree. They do want somebody who has 2 to 3 years of some kind of related experience or training or equivalent combination of education and experience. Above that, they're looking for somebody who can prioritize the situations, who can multitask, be a team player, learn and adapt, and have great attention to detail. You've also got to have great time management skills because they need you to be able to meet your deadlines. Now, unfortunately, pay was not listed in the job description. Actual pay will need to be discussed at the time of the interview, but I did a little bit of digging on Glassdoor, and it looks like for a document control coordinator at Sudduth Companies, you can expect anywhere from $38,000 on the low end all the way to up to $53,000 a year on the high end. And they also offer a standard benefit package that includes 401k, paid time off, all the things. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.